Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir yogurt. First, you'll need active kefir grains, about 1 tablespoon for every 2 cups of milk. Choose fresh, good quality milk, preferably whole milk for the best texture. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal spoon, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter or cloth. Sterilizing your jar is crucial to avoid unwanted bacteria. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious, homemade kefir. Now let's get to the fermentation. Gently place your kefir grains into the glass jar with the milk. Stir lightly with a non-metal spoon. Cover the jar with a breathable lid, like a coffee filter secured with a rubber band, to allow air circulation while keeping out contaminants. Let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit, for 18 to 24 hours. You'll notice it thickening and developing a tangy aroma. After fermentation, it's time to separate your kefir. Place a non-metal, fine mesh sieve over a clean bowl. Pour the fermented milk through the sieve. Gently shake or stir the grains in the sieve to help the finished kefir yogurt pass through. The grains will remain in the sieve, ready for your next batch. Transfer your fresh kefir yogurt to a sealed container and refrigerate it. It stays fresh for up to 7 days. Caring for your kefir grains is simple. After straining, immediately place the grains into fresh milk to start a new batch. If you need a break, you can store them in fresh milk in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, changing the milk weekly. Healthy grains will multiply over time, allowing you to share them or make larger batches. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.